literally looking at this website and it tracks the amount of code that's being upgraded, right? We just literally had 3 different Coinbase listings literally like yesterday, right? At the same time, a whole bunch of people at the same time are upgrading their code, trying to capitalize on this. Who knows about cryptocurrency the best, right? Probably developers, probably people that are in the infrastructure. They're all trying to capitalize on what I'm talking about in this video. Pretty much every single one of them are trying to capitalize on this next bull run that's about to happen, right? This rally that's about to happen in front of your eyes. I want everybody really, really paying attention, because this is the time to make money. This is not the time to sleep, okay? So pay attention.
You look so dumb right now.
Everybody's on board. We're pushing, okay? And we're looking like we're gonna break. It looks probably like the best chance we've had since, you know, the last month. The best chance we had since last month to break the all-time high in total market capitalization, okay? We just rejected. Okay, so you want to keep your eye on this. Maybe you want to look at it on the 1 hour. Now, we could keep coming down. Don't get me wrong. I'm not going to sit here and say that's automatically going to go above this line, right? But if you're not watching this, right, this is the most important chart in cryptocurrency. There's a lot of things you could do, right? So just make sure you guys understand. So like when this chart looks bullish, when this chart is going up, everything does well. And I could prove that to you, right? If we look at BTC versus USD, it looks the same. It almost looks identical. Look at this. It just looks like BTC is more, it looks like it's creating a massive cup and handle, which is a bullish sign, okay? It looks more like a cup and handle than the total market capitalization, but you can kind of say the same thing. This is bullish. This is bullish. And it looks like at the same time that the total market capitalization is trying to break its all-time high. Bitcoin literally, well, this is the 11th, yesterday almost broke its all-time high at the exact same time. Sometimes it's not about looking at the individual projects. I've been telling you guys that for a very long time with my cycle trading strategy. It's about looking at where the flows of money are going. I don't know how like to explain this to you guys or help you prepare. Definitely start taking your trading a little bit more serious, right? If you're not, I mean, I'm not trying to say that you guys are not. I'm just saying start looking to where the flows of money are going. It's more important to see where the big lump sums of cash instead of your individual project. There's nothing wrong with investing in NFTs and artwork and stuff like that, or, you know, some altcoins, but this is a lot more important. You should be pulling this up pretty much every single morning. If we look at Ethereum, it's pretty much, this is the only one that's not making the same exact pattern. It looks like Bitcoin's taking some dominance and it's kind of falling a little bit, not a lot, but I do expect Ethereum to make a move as well. Definitely pay attention to that. We're going to have like obviously money flowing into Bitcoin and then back into, you know, altcoins, and then Bitcoin and altcoin. There's going to be like a micro cycle within the macro cycle. Right now, it's a Bitcoin game. Now, I'm not saying to buy Bitcoin. Obviously, none of this is financial advice. I don't know. I just get excited when Bitcoin starts breaking all-time highs, because then I know that altcoins are just going to soon follow. Something's going to happen, right? So if we look at, for example, the ETH BTC chart, this is when this chart goes up, Ethereum looks good, right? When it goes down, Bitcoin looks good, but it looks like if we're to bring this down a little bit, we might be bouncing off very soon, right? So we could either bounce off here or make its way down to at least this level and then bounce off as well. I mean, we could even look at the Bitcoin dominance, and the Bitcoin dominance is just skyrocketing. Not too much, but it's been doing pretty well. I mean, we call this channel right here, it broke out of the channel. So it looks good. Now, a couple of plays that I'm looking at and keeping my eye on, of course, Polkadot looks extremely bullish, and we're getting to that point right here. And this is Polkadot dominance in comparison to the total market cap. So if you haven't already scooped up some Polkadot, it might be a good time. When it comes to the dominance chart, we have like a 20% increase, and Polkadot's a very fair, I mean, it doesn't sound like a lot. People get greedy in this market, but it sounds like a really good play, right? It sounds like a really good play to potentially scoop up some Polkadot. If we look at the altcoin perpetual futures index, we see Bitcoin's clearly stealing it right now, right? Bitcoin's clearly stealing it. But again, when Bitcoin does well, it kind of leads the path for everything else. You can see the total market capitalization, excluding Bitcoin, is kind of making the cup and handle formation. Not exactly, but it's making a very similar formation, which proves my point, right? Bitcoin's making this cup and handle, and so is the altcoins, pretty much at the same time, right? Excluding Bitcoin. So, you know, again, Bitcoin makes the path. If you have some Bitcoin, hold it on, hold it, right? Because it's supposed to, I mean, if you look at traditional cup and handles, it's supposed to increase by 24%, which would put Bitcoin at approximately $70,000, right? So if you're holding Bitcoin, you have this ride up. But yeah, if you appreciate that, guys, definitely subscribe to the channel and share this with as many people as possible. But that's it for this video. If you like the quality of this content, hit like. If you don't, leave some constructive criticism. Subscribe for more video updates. And like I always say, I say it every time, if you don't get with it, you will get left behind. Let me go like take a shower and work out. Damn, man, my day started off early. I started off early. Thanks for watching.